Hello, my name is Aaron Rose, and I'm a broker with RE/MAX Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today I'm proud to show you a listing at 1202 War Admiral Drive. This is a 2-story built home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, with a 2-car garage, a ton of extra storage, and so many amenities that I'd love to show you. Please step inside. Entering on neutral tile, formal dining room, our living room, wood floors, gas fireplace, open and bright, our eat-in kitchen, quartz countertops, beautiful backsplash, modern touches and appliances, pantry with these French doors that open to our fully fenced backyard and patio, half bathroom, also with modern and upgraded touches, great utility room, upper level full bathroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, also with a huge closet, our 4th bedroom, and now our master bedroom, complete with a large walk-in closet and this master bathroom. 1202 War Admiral Drive sits on a corner lot with beautiful landscaping and curb appeal, 2-car garage with additional storage in the attic, extended parking for RV, outbuilding, and let's take one more look at the fully fenced backyard.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.